everyone and welcome to my brand new series, Revit course for beginner. Whether you are just starting with Revit or you have some basic knowledge and want to solidify your skills, you are in the right place. This course is designed with beginners in mind, but I promise it will also offer real values for the intermediates who are looking to fill the gaps. So what you can expect. This will be a full structured course covering everything that you need to know to starting working confidently in Revit. We will go step by step through the user interface and the basic tools, modeling the most important elements like walls, floors, roofs, windows, doors, and more, levels, grid, and views, sections, elevations, and how to create sheets. And the most important one, how to create family, how to create schedules, how to do annotations like dimensions and so on. Many functions like exporting, printing, work sharing, and a lot more. This course is live, which means I will be uploading 1 to 2 videos per week so we can go in a steady interactive pace. The full course will be ending like 20 to 30 hours, and by the end it should provide you with the basic skill that you will need to work with Revit. Also, this is not a passive course, which means I will be including assignments, small challenges, and interactive exercises along the way to help you to practice and actually apply what you learn. So if you're serious about learning Revit, make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notification button to not miss any new episode. And if you have questions at any point, just drop them in the comment. I will be answering and helping as we go. Let's build your Revit skills together. See you in the first lesson.